Hi, everybody. Do you ever have some type of elbow pain? Again, from typing carpal tunnel, but also from playing too much of a racket game that's bothering you? Pickleball's the game these days, or tennis, even badminton, yeah? And you've just been activated and using it too much, and there's not just pain there, but tingling, tightness, soreness all the way to the fingers, also the neck, shoulders, yeah? If so, then come try the 12 Treasures Qigong with me. Today is number 11 of our 28-day series, and I'd like to help you out a little bit. Hi, my name is Eileen Jong. I'm a licensed acupuncturist, herbalist, and Qigong teacher here in Silicon Valley, Bay Area. Let's get started. So today we're doing it seated because sometimes you're so sore, it's just not working out to be doing it standing, and sitting is totally okay. You want to simply do your best and be as consistent as you can in your practice, and that's more important. This month, February, month of love, Valentine's, and lots of chi from the new year, Lunar New Year. So it's a good time to recommit to all your goals and dreams for the year with love and chi, right? Good. And so the padding, then we do the tracing for a little better flow. Breathing front, middle to the back of the spine. Relax. Relax. Still shifting the weight. Best ways to be dealing with pain is shift weight. Good. Inhale. Exhale. In. Ex. Inhale. Nice. One more time. Beautiful. Okay, and 3 more around the legs. 1, 2, 3. Around the waist and hip. And inhale tall. Exhale down. This one is the one from extended stretching from Hua Mountain School. And again. X. One more time. Inhale. And up your left. Down your right. Yeah, good. Reverse that. Inhale. X. In. X. In. X. And pull down. Relax. 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 And then let's go to the knee the door reverse rowboat. Nice. This is the chi going up the front and down the back. The main flows in the body, vertical flows in the body, up the consumption vessel and down the governing vessel or the spine. And this is similar flow. It is for the tracing meridians, padding meridians flow. Okay, so good. And 3, 2, 1. Now we inhale, do the forward rowboat. Nice. Beautiful. Good. And 3, 2, 1. And now doing the walk in place for one side, right side, and then walk in place while seated. Good. And then if you do have that elbow pain tingling, make sure you try to let go the tension in the elbow, let it just relax. Your weight is supported, yeah, in the body. So just let it go with force of gravity so it can gently hang without resistance to gravity, allowing for gravity to give you that comfortable long stretch. Nice. Good. Beautiful. And 3, 2, 1. Other side. Inhale. Exhale, left side. Inhale. Inhale. Good. Nice. So that's the forward rowboat. Forward dog paddle. Good. Nice. And 3, 2, 1. Let's do the seated reverse rowboat. Inhale, exhale. In, ex, in, ex, inhale. Nice. Just a few times, huh? And you might feel as you do this, especially individuate the fingers, yeah. And then that tension you have in the elbow, it is bringing away the elbow from the torso, from the body, and then close again, right? Because in the computer, you're always this way, right? So you want to have the expansion. That's natural. The body you don't hold stiff in one position usually. Okay, at least animals in the wild, they don't. They move, always moving. Okay, but if we were animals out there looking at a computer, right away, the hunter will come and we're goners. Okay, so make sure always moving. Move the chi. Nice. And 3, 2, 1. Other side. Reverse. Good. Beautiful. And inhale. Exhale. Let the chi down again. The earth. Okay, that's it for today. For the part 11 of the 28th in the series for February. Okay, thanks so much for joining me. Please like, share, subscribe, comment, hashtag 12TQG, and I'll see you the next time around. Thank you so very much for joining me. Bye now, and love to all the world.